In this video, we're going to look at creating a color set. When making your own theme, a color set will help keep everything tied together. A good place to start is with a color scheme generator. I'll link this one, coolors.co, in the description. Coolors.co is pretty easy to work with. You select Start the Generator, and then to randomize the colors, just hit your spacebar. First, though, we need to come over here to this gear, which is the settings, and turn on RGB. For this, I'm just looking through some randomly generated schemes. Then I'm locking the first color I want and repeating the process until I have all the colors figured out. You can see here that it gives us a color code in the hex style, which PowerPoint cannot use, but we turned on RGB and this will let us import these colors. I'm going to use a split screen layout. If you're on a PC running Windows 7 or higher, you just drag your window against the side and then let it snap. It will ask you to select the other window that you want to view. Now we can see both at once. If your screen is too small, just go back and forth, but this will save time. So in the Slide Master tab, select Colors on the ribbon, then Customize Colors. Here we see all the theme options and even a sample of how the colors work together. For each color, select the drop-down menu and then More Colors. To get our colors, we should work in Custom mode. This will let us use numbers to match the color. So now that all of our first colors are in place, we can unlock them and make some new choices for the rest, and repeat the process. Now I'm ready to name my custom color set for my theme colors. I'm thinking Mellow Rainbow. And here you can see it in the colors option. Now we can see how it looks by using these colors to change some things on the slides. So now you can see my changes to the master using the color set I made for my theme impacts normal slides. Well, that's how you can create a theme color set in PowerPoint. I hope you learned something useful. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or questions of your own, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, guys, catch you on planning.